Hello and welcome. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to stop autoplay video previews in the Reddit app on your Android phone. This feature can use your data and be distracting, so turning it off can improve your experience. First, open the Reddit app on your Android phone. Next, tap on your profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Then, from the menu, tap on Settings. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Media and Animations. Then, tap on Autoplay Video Previews. Finally, select the option Never to disable autoplay. That's it. You have successfully turned off autoplay video previews in the Reddit app on your Android phone. This simple change will save data and reduce distractions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.